W32s4. Yeah, this is a subwoofer, SVC, single voice coil subwoofer from Pioneer. We want to unbox and test this sub. There's a manual, and this is the sub itself. Yeah, it's a 12-inch or 30 centimeters. Let me bring the camera close. Here it is. You can see there, Pioneer Champion Series. Let me flip it around. It's quite heavy. Yeah, there it is. It is made in Vietnam. You can see W32s4. These are the speaker connectors. You push, insert the wire, it will hold it for you that way. Now for the ventilation of the magnet, they have made some holes. You can see them there. Yeah, they have several, I think 4, and also other small ones. 4 big ones and small ones. Yeah, they are there for ventilation and to remove excess heat. Now, if you look at the manual, they say that it recommends the speaker to be used with amplifiers which have lower RMS, than the speaker that is lower than 400 RMS. And they also tell you that the coil may get hot, due to high music handling. And they also tell you not to use it in free air condition, that is without an enclosure. They tell you just to put it in a box, not to play with the enclosure. Now at the box, make sure yours has this Pioneer seal. Yeah, that one there, the green one. Now for the specifications, they tell you that the RMS, this one, the RMS is 400 watts. Yeah, and the impedance is 4 ohms. And also here they have written that this thing can handle high power, and also it is made for deep and loud bass. Now, in some countries, they call it that 2S4. In other countries, 120, 1202S4. Yeah, the D4 is for the double coil, but here we are dealing with the S4. So what I'm going to do, I'll put it in this enclosure. You can do the video about the enclosure in another video.